Hi class, welcome to another tutorial on regular expressions in Python. This time we will be seeing what are dot meta character. As I said, regular expressions are very advanced and we have special meta characters. Now what do I mean by meta character? Let us see an example, the same one. We have words here, 7, even, 1 even, prevent, revenge. Fine. So when I see the pattern and I'm searching for the pattern even, and you can see there is a dot here. So in regular expression terminology, a dot means a single character. A single dot is a single character. Two dots is two characters. Three dots is three characters. N dots is n characters. And in characters, we include the alphabets also, numbers also, right? It's just a character. Let us see what happens here, right? Just for your clarity, I always do the match and the search also so that you can see the difference between a match and a search. You already know that match will search for the beginning of the string and search will search for anything in the string. Okay. So here what happens, I have to search the pattern even, and dot means any character, but it should be followed by even. Let us see the output and then we will get the example. Now you can see here, since this matches any single character, so this dot can be capital A to capital Z, small a to small z, it can be numbers from 1 to 9 or 0 to 9, or it can be any symbol also. Any character is allowed. So let us see. So when I have 7, so you can see the even will match in the 7, but I am allowing one character to be a wild card. So this dot can be any character. So in this case, we have 7 here. So you see the 7 also matches, right? Because when I make this character, I am matching with the start of the string. Again, since this dot can be any random character, right? So in this case, but it has to be a single character, right? Since it has to be a single character, the 7 basically matches, right? Again, as I said, if you are matching, you are automatically searching will be true. Again, now when I'm having even now, and I'm having the pattern even, and preceding to it, I have a single character. But now it says the even does not match, the even does not search. Now, why did this happen? Because the expression says that before the word even, I need to have mandatory single character, right? Since I did not have any character, right? Even itself is a word in its whole. So I did not have any single character preceding to it. The match basically failed. Similarly, when I have one even, you can see the one even matches also searches, right? When I say characters, it is alphanumeric. It can be symbols also. Fine. Then I have prevent. It says prevent does not match. Why? Because when I have even, you can see there is even here in the string. But before even, how many characters are there? Two characters are there. How many did we require? We required only one character. Fine. So just for this example, I am showing if I want to match prevent, I can have two characters here. Then you will see it will match. See, the prevent matches because before even I am allowing two characters, any two characters, so that are P and R, and then you can see match what it does. Match will start from the start of the string. So including these two random characters and followed by even, we are matching. Let us go back to our previous example just to complete it. Revenge, again it matches. Why? Because we have even and before that we have a single character in R. If you are matching, search will automatically be done. Maven will not match because there is no substring even here. 11, even is there, but preceding there are two characters, but we only want a single character. But you can see the 11 searches, right? Now why did it search in 11? Because the even is matched here, right? And even and before even I should have one character, so I had L as the one character that can be replaced. Fine. And what does search say? Because if you see in 11, Leven, this is the matching. Although this is not the start, and hence you can see the 11 does not match. The match basically fails. But if you see Leven, the search is successful because search is more flexible, allows you to search in substring also. Similarly, amen will not match in both the cases because even itself is not there. Forget about the previous character. Then we have event. So event does not match and does not search. Why? Because in case of event, it begins with the word even, but it should have a preceding character, right? So now let us try to keep a capital letter here just for the convenience. So let me see, we are keeping Z event. Now you will see both will match. Z event matches and Z event also searches, because before even we need a single character that can be a small case or a capital case or even a number, right? So remember one thing, the dot meta character, the dot exactly is a meta character that stands for any single character in the text, right? So for example, if I want to take a user input, which is, for example, if you're designing a MCQ program, like let's say you're designing KBC, and then you give an option, what is the capital of India? A is Delhi, B is Mumbai, C is Calcutta, D is Chennai. So when the user provides an input A, B, C, D, you can match using the dot operator, so that you can be sure that he or she has provided exactly a single character input. That's it for this video class. I hope you like